Welcome to the video. We're going to be going through creating a Facebook page that you can use for Facebook gaming. If you're not aware, you need a actual Facebook account to create what's called a Facebook page. So you log into Facebook and you'll see a dashboard that looks similar to this. And in the left-hand pane, you simply just click Pages. And this will bring you to a page that will allow you to create a page. There's also a static URL that's facebook.com/pages/creation. That'll also bring you to that same page. I'll make sure that's in the description as well as on the screen in this video. So from this page, you go ahead and you create a page name. There's a category which is required and a description for your page. So for my page name, I'm gonna say Chefroblake. I'd say Facebook gaming test. And for the category, oh, look at that. The name Chefroblake gaming test is invalid. Choose a different name or try again. All right, so we'll try. Let's do. Let's see if that's valid. There we go. So we have a page that's called Chefroblake gaming. Excuse me. And we're going to see what category we're going to be going under. There's multiple different categories: photography, music. Depending on the type of page that you're creating, by all means, find that category. It's going to help with discoverability, as well as giving you access to some of the content that you're trying to create that interests you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go with gaming video creator. And I'm going to add a very simple description that just says, welcome to the official Facebook gaming test page of Chefroblake. And then right here, we're going to click on create page. So it says it just was successfully created. So our page was successfully created. Here we are again. If we click the little home here, we're back to the default page for Facebook, and we'll go back to pages. You notice we'll have one update here. We should see the page that we created, Chefroblake Gaming, with the category that we put that page under as well. Notifications, messages, etc. will show up there. So we'll go into our page, and this is going to be a landing spot for people that want to search for us, and also the account that we can use to stream from using the Creator Studio, which we'll go over in a future video, and I'll definitely link that here in this particular video. So let's work on some cosmetic things for our page. We'll load just kind of a standard banner and a standard picture here. Let's see if we can upload, edit. Upload photo. Okay, just kind of a generic banner. It's similar with our image. Save. So we updated our banner. We updated our actual profile picture. We can create a username. And the username is going to help us come up with an actual URL for people to find us. So let's go ahead and create a username for our Facebook page. So I'm going to try to see if Chefroblake Gaming is available. Oh, looks like it's available. So I'll go ahead and click create username here. Username isn't available. You're not eligible to create a username. So this is a very interesting error. So let's see what we can do to mitigate this if you run into a similar error. So far we have created a Facebook account. we've created a page and we've tried to create a user account that's tied to our page, and we get the error that says you are not eligible to create a username. So let's take a look at that. To solve this, we need to go in the right-hand corner to our account settings, settings and privacy, and we're going to go to settings. And here we're going to see we don't have a username set. So if I click edit, if you look at this blurb here, it says your account must be verified before you can change your username. If you have a mobile phone that can receive text messages, you can verify via the mobile app, via your cell phone, basically. So again, another layer of verifying who you are, and then we will be able to actually create a username. So let's go through that step. So we're going to click on mobile. Okay, we're going to click verify via mobile phone. So here we're going to enter our phone number so we can confirm our phone number and confirm our identity. And we should receive a text. I have the code here. Confirm. Perfect. Now that we've verified our account, I can create a username that's going to be used, that's going to bring them to my actual Facebook account page. We still have to set up a Facebook gaming username, but this username that you see here under the general account settings will bring us to the actual Facebook account that we created. So here you have Rob Blake. We have the actual URL that's going to bring you to this Facebook page, not the gaming page yet. We're going to set that up in the next step, and all the information you see under general settings. Now we have our Facebook gaming page. This user, Chefroblake Gaming, has been created. Click done. We'll also see our username under here. So let's see. If we go to fb.gg/Chefroblake Gaming. Perfect. It should bring us to our actual page, which it does. No followers. We have the profile picture that we created. And we also have that static URL for our Facebook gaming page. It is just that simple. Once you include all the information you want to add on the page, you can simply publish the page by just clicking publish page in the right hand corner. And this is what makes your page visible to everyone else on the internet. Now the page is live. Other information you can fill out is your location. Obviously, the description is here that we created when we created our page. If you have a website, a phone number, whether that be an 800 number or a Google phone number that fails over to your personal phone number, be very careful with things like this. You know, you got to protect your identity when you're on the internet. WhatsApp, your email address, hours you may, stream. If this is an actual business, your storefront hours, online or, storefront. There's other things you can do to customize the page. You can run ads. And we'll go into some of these, some of the other tools and features that are very, very powerful on the Facebook platform. But overall, it's very simple to create a page, super robust, and you can communicate with others that stream or creating content with the username that we created for our Facebook page. So one more thing to note when you go to visit the Facebook gaming section of Facebook is you're going to be able to communicate with either your Facebook account name or the page that we created. That page is what you can stream from and or build relationships within the Facebook community by showcasing the page that you created. In our case, that is the Chefroblake Gaming test page that we created. So we'll select any content creator that we see here from the selection, and we'll see if we can interact in chat using the page we just created. So here I am in a particular stream, and right here in the lower left-hand corner, you would see a profile picture, but I did not set one for the Facebook account that is attached to our page. You're gonna hit this down arrow here, and you'll see here's our Chefroblake Gaming. Once that's selected, as I start to chat, hello, this is my first time here. You're going to notice that it shows up as Facebook Gaming, which is the page that we created. And also has the description, etc. So it's just that simple. You can communicate as your brand or as yourself. So just something to keep in mind. Chefroblake!